Working on the weekend like usual. Way out from the deep end like usual. Where they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist. Caught me slipping once, okay. Someone hit the block up, I tell you from Sunday. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit ain't no weekend.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and today we're going to be doing something a bit more colorful, a bit more dramatic. Norvina actually dropped another mini palette. This one is volume 3. I like to call it the cherry palette because it's just a cherry palette, like, you know what I'm saying? Today I'm going to be playing with this and I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this look. I do give you guys 2 lip options because I decided to pair this look with a bright red glossy lip and it turned out so fire. That's why all of you guys were going crazy on Instagram. But of course I wanted to show you guys a nude lip option just in case you guys wanted to tone it down, you know what I'm saying, and actually be more wearable because, you know, I just feel a lot more comfortable in a nude lip. But anyway, this is what the palette looks like. So I did play with probably like a lot of the colors. Like, the only thing that I will say and kind of like annoys me, I wish we could have just enjoyed the ienvny palette for a bit longer. But anyways, this is what we're going to be doing today. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this freaking dramatic cut crease, then you already know what to do. Definitely keep on watching. Comment down below your thoughts on the Norvina, on the Norvina Mini Volume 3 palette. Did you pick it up? Are you skipping on it? I'm going to be honest, the pigments is there, okay? I definitely needed it in my collection. But yeah, moving on to the tutorial, I'm going to shut up now and let you guys watch. And until next time, guys, bye. Oh, and by the way, I do have on a shirt. Don't come for me. All right, let's get it. So yeah, I already know I'm starting with my brows already on. And I did already carve them out. But I wanted to ask you guys really quickly, would you guys be interested in an updated 2020 eyebrow routine? Let me know. So yeah, you know, bitch had to run to Sephora and grab me my little mini palettes. This is the volume 3, the Pro Pigment little mini collection. This is what the packaging is giving. I love the little holographic cherries on it, super cute. And just like the other Pro palettes, the bigger ones, it is like lettered A through C, 1 to 3, so super easy to go through. They're not named or anything. This is what the palette looks like up close, but of course my ring light always does wash things out, so I always like to show you guys a little back. So I'm trying to think of what look I'm trying to do, but before I do that, I am going to prime my lids so that way I can start off with a nice blank canvas. And I like to do that with my Too Faced. This is the multi-scope concealer, and yeah. So as you guys can see, the lids are all nice and ready for shadow. So the first shade I'm going to go into is that really pretty bright red in the corner. This is actually C3. And I'm taking this on an actual, because this is like a definer, like lower lash line brush. But we're going to use this to kind of like create our elongated crease, because I'm going for one of those dramatic cut creases today, okay? So this is one of those looks that it's going to be like, what the hell? Because you're probably looking at it like, what's going on here? But yeah, you want to just basically map out everything that you're going to do. So now I'm just going in now and deepening up this shade, and I'm just going to keep going back and forth until I get the intensity that I want. And once you got that line packed on, now you want to start blending. So I'm taking the shade, this is B3, which is the pink shade in this palette. It kind of does have a little bit of glitter, but it is a matte, so it's not going to come off glittery or anything like that. You actually don't even see the glitter at all, to be honest. But yeah, I'm going to use this now to blend out that red that we laid down. And as you guys can see, like, it is blending beautiful. But of course, with a look like this, you want to kind of like repeat the steps. But really quickly, I noticed that I did over blend. Yes, that can happen. So I got a little too close to my brow. So a trick that I like to do is go in with my concealer brush or whatever I use to blend out the concealer on my lid, and I just kind of erased where it was just too close to the brow, you feel me? But anyways, back to what I was talking about with repeating steps. Now I am going back in with that bright red shade, and I'm going to deepen up again the crease, and then go back in with the pink and blend it. Now I'm going in with that deeper red, which was super pigmented, so you want to be careful with this color. This was the red that was in the middle row. This is such a beautiful color, and as you guys can see, this just really like made that whole entire cut crease just pop. Like, you just want to keep building up your shades and keep layering them. getting it deeper and deeper, and that's how you get a super bomb ass cut crease. You feel me? So of course we're gonna be blending, and until you're happy with the blending, now you just want to go ahead and cut that crease. Okay, so for that I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer again, the same thing that I used to carve out my brows, and basically I'm just gonna cut this fucking crease to the gods, period. Girl, I'm not even gonna front. I haven't did a cut crease like this since Halloween. And bitch, we did that, okay? Like, girl, yes. Yes. Right. Feeling myself too much. Fast forwarding now, okay, I wanted to use that blue. I was like, all right, I'm happy with the pinks and reds, but now I just want to get into the blue. So I decided to kind of give you guys a sexy Pepsi type of look, okay? So I gave you that blue on top of the lid, and girl, for a matte, sometimes when you put them all over your lid, they can tend to kind of be patchy, but bitch, that blue was beautiful. Like, I literally recommend this whole entire palette just for that blue. Like, it's that serious. So I did go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk to brighten up my inner corners. And then now I am going in with that really pretty, it's kind of like a white shade, but it does have a pink shift. So it's not white. You see that pink, bitch? Yes. And as you can see, I did do a quick wing liner, and now I'm just going to pop on a quick coat of mascara and pop on my falsies. These are drugstore. These are from ienvny. I'll leave them in the description box. And I did my face makeup off camera because I really just wanted to focus on the palettes. But now I'm going in back with that bright red on my lower lash line. And then, of course, I am going to deepen it up with that more deeper red in the middle row. And now that I'm looking at this footage, I'm just like, yo, that lower lash line looks so sickening. And as you guys can see, this palette really has pigment, okay? Now I'm going in with my Benefit Highbrow just to brighten up my waterline. It is more like a pink, so I like to use that on my waterline. And now I'm going to give you guys my little inner corner wing that I showed you guys in my Amrezy palette. But in this video, I was like totally out of focus, so I didn't get a lot of footage of it. So let's just move right along. Moving on to highlighter, I am taking the Morphe highlighter in the shade Extra because I'm obsessed with this highlighter. I talked about this in my New Year's favorites video. Bitch, I still love this highlighter, but anyways. And then, of course, I am going to show you guys how I did that juicy red lip that we were all living for. Y'all guys know that I hardly do bold lips, so to make it a glossy bold lip, like, bitch, what? Like, what? Like, it was so lit. But anyway, I am going to take a liner, and of course I will leave all of the products down below because I don't know them off the top of my head. I'm too lazy to go find them shits right now. But yes, this is the Sammarcel Rouge liquid lipstick. I use this liquid lipstick every time you see me with a red lip. This is the red lipstick that I'm always using. I love it. Now I'm taking my Essence. This is the So Juicy gloss. It is like $3, you guys. It is a clear gloss, and I did put the gloss on with a brush so I don't fuck up my gloss, you feel me? And this is how I got that juicy glossy red lip that I just felt looked so perfect with this look. But of course, if you're not so extra, you guys can definitely rock a nude lip, and this is what the nude lip option looks like. But I am team red. What do you guys think? Which one are you, nude or red? But anyways, thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.